Hi there, I'm Molly Horak from the Horak Group with Boone Realty, and if this video feels like a little bit of a repeat, that's because it is. I'm actually combining two old tips and making them into a new tip. It is that you only get one chance to make a great first impression, so make your home as clean and clutter-free as possible. I cannot stress this enough. Power of three, remove every third item or remove 2 out of every 3 items to make your home decluttered. I am a total hypocrite on this, but when I put my home on the market, I have to do this too. I know if someone walked into my house right now, they'd say it was very cluttered. I have 3 kids. My house is very cluttered. But if my home is on the market, and last time I had a house on the market for myself, oh man, it was basically empty except for furniture and staging items. So when you're living in the home while it's on the market, you want to make it look like a showcase. You want to make it look as open and bright and airy and clean and decluttered as possible, because that way they actually see the house and they're not doing the weird detective thing that people do where they try to figure out who the person is that lives there and their whole personality, and they spend more time thinking about the person who lives there than they do about the house. And yes, people do this. And the more stuff you have out, the more they do it, and the less they're paying attention to the house. Keep our little ADD brains focused while we're looking at houses, and make it more about the house than about your stuff. So thanks so much, and I'll see you on the next one. And remember, declutter and keep it airy and light.